Pluck. To pull something off quickly. Example: she plucked a flower from the garden. Confess. To admit something you've done. Example: he confessed to eating the last slice of pizza. Enrage. To make someone very angry. Example: the unfair decision enraged the crowd. Ignite. To start something, like a fire or emotion. Example: her speech ignited hope in everyone. Hush. To make someone quiet or silent. Example: the teacher hushed the noisy class. Indolent. Lazy or unwilling to work. Example: he was too indolent to clean his room. Punctual. Always on time. Example: she is always punctual for her meetings. Sympathy. Understanding and caring for someone's pain. Example: I felt sympathy for the injured puppy. Glutton. Someone who eats or consumes too much. Example: he's a glutton for pizza. Filthy. Very dirty. Example: the house was filthy after the party. Rapid. Very fast. Example: the rabbit ran at a rapid speed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.